will be changed so beautiful. Okay, but he misses the shot. Here is Aguilo. Medyo worse ang yun, ang gawa ng Aguilo. Asking for the ball. Bawal ka na naman is unti-unti ang nagkakagdaman. One of the key players, that's a Bosnian. Makuha is with a transition jumper. One shot is good.
Picking up for the left of the winner, Emerson Bacuedes, leading all scores here in the Paris match.
Passing the middle, basket is good. Look at the pass, Sunny Sate. Alam niya kung kailan papasahan. Sunny Sate, the smallest guy in the score. Bacuedes yan siya, but not this time.
11-point game sa atin yun.
Pasa ka lang. Nakaman. Foul on number 5, pag-welcome naman.
Foul on number 5, again, now this is second foul. And Jared Liga will have a bonus shot. Si Hana mag-isip pati niya as well. Pag pumasok sa book, Jared Liga, yung score daw, kita mo? Okay na po yung score, tama na po. What a good quarter for Jared Liga. He only scored 4 points in the first half, but he is able to score here. 6 points already in the third quarter alone. Actually, make it 8, 9 points. We'll check it out.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Kimando to Saki. Once again. He wants it back. Boy, nice pass to Simoy. But the ball goes out. The ball is there. 17 seconds to shoot.
Good defense on the part of Aguilo, and was also the one that brought the ball down.
Aquino on that letter. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Anderson. Again.
Sala sa kaliwa. Todo ba 3? This time, balik ang Mando. Kapit ito. There's a good foul against Mercedes. Foul on number 4, Divis Aguilo. That's going to be his first foul. Also number 1 for Mercedes. And free throws here for Manuel Lapan. Manuel Lapan on the leading 7 points here in the third quarter. He only scored 8 points for the first 20 minutes of action. And he can tie it here in this free throw. Madam, back on the floor, replacing Aquino. The lead, back up by 10 for Mohamed Agasmia.
Here is now the down. Set things up. Para sa Bogana Marcellus. Shot clock is down to 15. Radama finding Roy with 10 seconds to shoot now. Aguino lights it up.
Sunny Sate pulling on the show. And that's going to be the third foul of Roy Aguilo. Sir, we think we announced it earlier. So we'll have 2 free throws is Sunny Sate. And grab him on the first. Sunny Sate only has 7 points. Maging impact niya dito partner. Talagang laban naman ng natin.
Isa ka, mabas na ulan eh. Sunny Sate is now on his show para sa ating best of 1 finals. Anderson Bacuedes, give it up to Banam. Balik ko natin Anderson, lights it up like that now. Shooting pass right now is San Luis. Secures the rebound with his 6 rebounds. Coach J is now setting off the play para sa wala ng Bosnian. Great find, Mark Serrano, 5 seconds to go. Radama bringing down the runner this time. Give it up to Roy. Aguilo now against Coach J. 10 seconds now on the shot clock. Aguilo the ski and the 100. Rinaldo secures the rebound now. Look at that, Sunny Sate. To Mark Serrano. Passing window, that is Kiwa. Takes it out, medyo mahina nga lang. Bacuedes ang kumuha ng steal. But there is a whistle. Foul up with nothing to Sunny Sate. That will be second first foul in this ball game. Penalty tayo. And there is a useful foul. That is switch number 28, Simoy. is now on his third personal. 69 to 55. Sunny Sarte, give it up to Coach G. 2 minutes. And there is a steal by Aguilo. Aguilo is on the way to the basket and he will scores. 69-57. The steal and converted to a basket para kay Ron Aguilo. Marks the run on that limit, but bola pa kay Jamie. Brusco lights it up, Nugget. Sandy Sarte retains the letter, lights it up. No! Look at that pass out. Aguilo. Boy, Aguilo with his 7 rebounds. Jay, he got to Marks the run. So nakita ko ng ating blue chip. Janjan Gabrielsa. Alvarez. 1 minute. "57 seconds remaining. 18 seconds to shoot. Simoy. Bring down.
Nakiwanan si Simoy from the corner 3. Basta pinakamahirap habulin talaga, no? Yung corner na yan.
Hindi ako nagkakabala Peter Simoy.
Sante holding on to Emerson. That's gonna be the third personal foul of Sante Sante.
Look at that sportsmanship on this between two guys.
First free throw is good for Baguetes. Team for Kuya Emerson. Baguetes 2 for 2. And now, Mercedes knocking on the door of Maharlika to steal.
29 seconds to go. It's a boxman. Para kay Sunny Sarte. Ito na. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Oshie Castro Serrano.
Mercedes defending Sunny Sarte. Galing pa lang sa taas. So they cannot set their defense.
10 seconds to go. Look at that. That's right, Butler. Ang dayan yung bakit pinabaksan.
10 minutes of our Juniors Division Finals. Maharlika 2000 versus Mercedes. Mercedes will have the ball beginning this fourth quarter.
Unti-unti na lang nilalapit ang halamangan. Ibinababa. 71 to 64. Aquino on that leather now. Setting off the play for Jared. 15 seconds to shoot now. Jared crossover to Emiliano. There is a whistle. Troubling hold by Mr. Ryan Carpizo.
71-64. Bakit na ilang goals sa Televillano, ano? You have to give credit to the defense there. Maharlika the skill.
Kalaban to San Luis. Oh no. Roy Aquino. I think he foul San Luis. They'll win.
And that's gonna be the fourth foul of Roy Aguilo. It's gonna be a big blow for Mercedes.
Almost 30 seconds gone by. Mahaba pa to, partner. 9 minutes and 30 seconds pa ang nalalabi.
San Luis secures the first free throw. Entering Usud. Peguino, may concern lang daw po.
Ligan bringing down the leader now. 8-point lead na kanilang hinahabol. 72 to 64. Emerson now against Boss Idol. 10 seconds to lead it now. The ball will stay. 10 seconds to shoot. Bacuetes.
Give that Orlando Aquino a credit
second try, basket and one for Joseph Sanchez.
Foul on the team Kelvin Academy. This is first. Second team foul of Mercedes. Pull shot for Joseph Sanchez.
Grabe yung vision na pinapakita ni Sani Sate. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Give it up to Orlando to Magueles. 5 seconds to shoot.
Aquino on the move. That's going to be a shot clock violation for Mercedes. We have some replacements here. Gilbis Aquino back on the floor. Loriano and the game be replaced. So again, a 7-point lead for Mohamed Al-Sunil. Kaya pwede pa nilang dagdagan yan.
74 to 67. Sani Sate with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Nakita mo yung pasa na yun, partner. Dalawa na yung bantay nun. Nagawa pa ng paraan. Sani Sate. Nabitawan na ang bola ni Sandy. Sa Luis. Ang naman na Aquino. Bianca. Lagid. Tapi ng bola.
The ball will stay on the side of the floor. Fresh 14 for Mercedes.
Look at that smile coming from Gilbis. A pass from the baseline.
Doesn't give the feet. Bigay ng lapan. Pushing back on number 4, Gilbis Aquino. That's his second foul, third team foul of Mercedes. Translation, Martin Mano for Jacob Linera. Two free throws for Joseph Sanchez. Speaker of the line for Sanchez. Ani Maharate na akala na steal. Magueles.
Sandy on the waist is now on his 10 rebounds in this ball game.
Right now, Sanchez setting his teammates. Magueles defending him.
Shot clock is sliding down. There is a whistle coming.
A big call there. Property violation of Sanchez.
Pagkakataon to, partner, para sa mga ng Marceles.
Sorry, partner. Your chance to come closer to Mercedes.
Kaya kami. Aquino on the deck, takes it down. Tina lights it up. Oh, another boy for Sandy.
Naglapan leading the play. Oh, open! Beautiful shot!
Welcome lapan. It's mabalik ang important lead para sa Buskill. Emerson is on the attack, puts it up now. Wonderful boy. And so Orlando kicks it up now. Philippines also the mark jumper.
77-69. Ang hapa pala ng ilalamit. Panlapan sa gitna.
Lima kay Gilbis. Emerson goes all the way to the basket.
Alam mo ba, pwede siya sa mga take that big corner. Nakita niya itong malikot sa Luis. He attacked it for a higher percentage shot and he gets the layup to go.
Rimando, Gustavo Sante now the pass now. Magueles to Gilbis.
Nakakalapak na ang Mercedes dito. This has been the closest they have been.
It's a 4-point lead para sa Dosmil. Rimando asking for the ball screen. Bigay bola pa kay Sandy. San Luis cuts it open.
Hindi na matumunta pero Mohamed Al-Dosmil, you will go to your big man. What a soft touch there by Santi San Luis.
Sandy San Luis is now on his double-double performance. 18 points, 11 rebounds, and 1 assist as well.